We will try to create filters. Filters are suitable if the data is repetitive. For example, here it's repetitive. FCM, FOM is repeated. So it's either FCM or FOM. So that's why we can apply, if I want to search for FCM, I apply a filter, I get FCM. If I want to display FOM only, I get 3 records. Or for example, gender, male and female. So filters are very useful for repetitive value in the column. How to create this filter? Okay, if you go back to the table, okay, we can go to content, and if you scroll down, there is add filter. Okay, so add filter. So currently maybe it's already have some filter. You can change the label. So previously the word here was not filter. I already changed it. So you change the filter to faculty. Filter by faculty. It's already in the pull down list. Okay, and then the option. The option, you can add the option, add new option, for example here. First we remove all, and then we add new option. F. You can search for some visual for page not found. These are some of the design, or as a designer, you should come up with your own design. This one, maybe I can use it. If this. Okay, the problem with the image is it's quite rigid. It needs a square image. So if you put anything which is not square, probably it will be cropped. So 404 here, maybe I should add a square image. Okay, something like this. Okay, 404 error. Now let's publish preview. Okay, so we test the real version. The real version is the published version. Copy this address. Go try whether the page not found is working or not. So if you go to the main site now, there should be table link here. Will show all the data in the table. Make sure the filter is working. CM. Okay, great. Now we'll try the page not found. How to do that? You just simply add a file name which doesn't exist. So table, for example, I look for a.html. Okay, if how come it exists? Okay, so I get just now a.html. I'm not sure why it exists. Here, it's aaa.html doesn't exist, so I get page not found. Or if I'm looking for any folder, this one is folders. If I look for any folders that doesn't exist, then I get page not found. So that's the use of page not found. If the user accidentally put the URL or file name which doesn't exist, you'll get page not found. Another thing is this table button, whether it's accessible by me or not, whether I need to log in or not, you have to check. Yeah, so table, you make sure it's accessible. Link visibility here is for all user. Yeah, all users should be able. Why the third button is slightly far from the first two button is because it's in the second menu. The primary menu is students in detail. The third button table is elsewhere. So if you want them to be near to each other, you can delete the table in the secondary menu. Delete. And you add in the primary menu, so they are close to each other. Okay, you can click page and then choose table. and uh, then you are done. One more thing that you should do is you should install Airtable apps in your phone. For example, here I already installed on my phone. Okay, here if you look, this is the app Airtable. This is my Chrome. Okay, so the Airtable, if I log in using the same Google account, I get all the database that I have. So I can do the editing either via the website or via the app. So if I edit via the app, okay, it looks something like this. Whereas if I edit via website, it's like this. Okay, you go to airtable.com, then okay, these are my database student. Okay, so this is in website. This is in my phone using the Airtable app. So for the website, you need to demonstrate in class using Chrome. Okay, and then as usual, you have to click the three dot, and then you have to add to home screen, and then make sure the icon is already configured. Okay, here the icon is already changed. Install and then run using phone in the lab session.